If you use Yahoo Mail and want to manage your message preferences, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're trying to adjust how your messages behave, find the right settings faster, or simply get more control over your account, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Yahoo keeps your account-related options and personal settings. After clicking your profile, select Manage Your Account. This will open your Yahoo account settings page where you can control different parts of your profile, security, and preferences. From here, you want to look for Personal Settings. Depending on your layout, this may be shown as a section you can click into from the account dashboard. Once you're in Personal Settings, start looking for the Preferences area. Yahoo organizes a lot of its customization options here, so take a moment to scan the page carefully. When you find Preferences, click on it to expand the available settings. Inside Preferences, you should see Message Preferences. This is the option you want for managing how Yahoo Mail handles message-related settings. Go ahead and click Message Preferences to open it. From there, you can review the options available and adjust them based on your needs. The exact settings may vary depending on your account and Yahoo's current layout. But the important part is knowing the path. Open Yahoo Mail, click your profile at the top right, go to Manage Your Account, open Personal Settings, find Preferences, and then click Message Preferences. Once you know this path, it becomes much easier to return anytime you need to make changes. If you were looking for a specific message setting and couldn't find it right away, this is the best place to start. Yahoo often places important personalization options inside account preferences rather than directly in the inbox, so navigating through the profile menu is the key step. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage message preferences in Yahoo Mail. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.